My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor there. I love to give you good information. I worked thousands of cases, and a lot of people sitting there with tax debt ask themselves, well, what's going to happen when my case is worked by IRS? Well, there's only three ways that IRS closes debt off their computer system. So I've worked thousands of cases, and it's very simple. IRS has to have a common tool to be used by everybody to say, how are we going to judge everyone? So at the 1-800 number, when you call, they use a 433F form. That's their version of the financial statement. With that, they're either going to put your account in currently non-collectible, CNC, you may read about that, a payment agreement or installment agreement, or you can file an offer and compromise to settle your debt through the tax forgiveness program. Now, with that said, your current financial statement that you have, the last 3 or 6 months, determines how IRS is going to close the case. People say, well, how do they do that after all the years I owe and all this? Because what you've done the last 3 months or 6 months is probably what's going to govern your future. So as a former agent, I could only look at the last 3 months and say, well, generally this is going to happen the next 3 months. Anyway, those are the three ways that IRS will take your case off the IRS enforcement computer. You need representation, call me. I've done this so much. The process is very simple. Use that as a marker in your head and you'll kind of understand what IRS is going to do. Plus, you have to make sure all your tax returns are filed. Give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate you.